Hello, hello, my amazing artists. Today we're going to be drawing a cat for our Egyptian ancient cat project. Let's get started. Here's an example of what yours might look like when it's done. See how big everything is? And we're filling up our paper. You're going to start with a pencil in your hand. All right, get ready. Your paper should be up and down like mine. This is called portrait mode. Get your paper in portrait mode. Okay. Now we're going to use our hands to measure. So my hand, is going to go sideways, but up near the top of my paper, near the top. I'm going to leave some space for the cat's ears up here. And I want to make sure that my head is big enough. So I'm going to relax my fingers a little bit, take my pencil, and go curve over the side. It starts at my wrist. It's this big. And then I'm going to come under. And then I'm going to connect the shape. What shape is this? It's a nice oval. All right, on the top of our cat's heads, we're going to make nice pointy ears. One on both sides. And some triangles on the inside. Then we're going to use our hand again to measure. 4 fingers, nice and wide, on our chin, just like this. And we're going to come down a little, down a little. Nice. Next, we're going to draw on the bottom. We're going to connect these later. On the bottom, in the center, so finger in the center, bring your finger down. To the left, we're going to make a curved line. It should be about 2 or 3 fingers wide. And then the same thing on the right. Come down, push to the right. Let's connect these at the bottom. Then we're going to take this and we're going to go whoop. Some paw details. At the bottom, we're going to draw a line that comes up a little and curves to the side, curves to the side. Next, we're going to add the back legs. So right around here, the center of this line, so this line here, around the center, or the middle, we're going to start our line and go down. Same thing over here. Find the center of this line, and bring it down. Okay. Last, we're going to do the last major body part, I should say. We're going to do the tail. You can put your tail on the left or the right. It's up to you. We're going to start here or here for our tail, right where that back leg touches the front of the body. And we're going to go curve up. Then we're going to fit 2 fingers. Can you see this? Let's look closely. 2 fingers. We're going to start there. And come up. Then we're going to connect it with a curved line. This is looking good. Okay, if you would like to do the next part in Sharpie, you can. But remember, Sharpie doesn't erase, so take your time. we're going to find the center of our cat's face, and we're going to make a curved line. Bring it down with another curved line. Down and hook. Down and hook. If you would like a little tongue, you can draw a little tongue. Next, we're going to do the eyes. Big circles. Big circles. Circle, circle. Circle, circle. And later on we're going to, or we can color this in. We're going to do the same on the other side. Let's zoom. Ah, she's looking cute already. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to add some details. We're going to add some stripes onto the body and the face of our cat. Let's go. We're going to use the letter V. We're going to make them nice and big so we can fit a fingertip inside. A couple of these on the side. Couple of these on the side. Remember, nice and big, fit a finger. Oh, I forgot one thing on our cat's face. Our whiskers. 1, 2, 3. Couple of dots. And 1, 2, 3. Next, let's go back to the details of the stripes on our cat's bodies. On the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and big. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and big. We can even add some stripes on the tail. The letter V. When you're done, take your Sharpie and trace all the pencil lines that we did in the beginning. Your head, your ears. Keep your eyes on your line. I went off the line because it went under my hand. I got to pay attention, and sometimes it's nice to turn your paper to see what you're doing. I've had a lot of practice, so don't try to go as fast as me. I'm tracing my body, my feet, the back of my body. The little paws. Take your time and go slow. Slow like a snail or slow like a sloth. It's not a race. Nice. When you're done, cap your Sharpie and say, I did a good job today.